Oh, I see them. I see them.
They look pretty big.
They are huge. I don't think it says, but I'm gonna try one.
I'm guessing they're like probably like a size
This
10
one
or
like
11.
10. Yeah, my toe's like right here, so like there's like this much of room.
Are you gonna get them still?
I think I am. Yeah, I'm gonna get them. Hey guys, it's Spooky Boots here, and today I think I have a really cool video for you. So I am in Superior, I'm at the Superior skate park. Today I am skating with a couple friends, Trevor and Taylor, and we are going to be thrashing a pair of Lightning TRSs that I picked up last weekend with Nadia. I found them at a Goodwill. They were like $9 and they're a little too big for me, but I still want to put them on and have fun. I've never skated these skates before, and I think it's going to be just a really lighthearted session, skating some skates that are almost, they're over 20 years old, so yeah, we're gonna be skating those skates. I didn't bring any tools to take the brake off, so the brake is still on them. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that off. I think Trevor said he was bringing a pair of grind plates that we were gonna try to get on there. So we're gonna try to do, you know, grinds. We're gonna do the pump track. We're gonna try to do everything that we do in our regular blades, but in the TRSs. So I'll show you guys what they look like. Here they are. So for the most part, they're still pretty new. There's a few scuffs here and there, but I think all these parts are original: liner, buckle, maybe even the laces and the wheels. So the wheels are Rollerblade 68. I'm not sure what that means. 60. I'm assuming that's a size. I don't know what the 8 is. No, that can't be right. 608. They're Kryptonics, so pretty interesting. I'm pretty sure these are the original wheels. That's the video I have planned out today. I'm waiting for them to get here, so I probably got about 30 to 40 minutes to skate by myself here. So yeah, I'm gonna get warmed up and then I'm gonna throw on those rollerblades and have a fun time. Taylor just got here.
Oh, you seen my new dumps?
No, I haven't.
Oh, good. Oh, that shit.
Okay, so we got the juice blocks in with these wheels. Interesting choice.
Yeah.
Huh, how are they feeling?
It's freaking great. It's really fast. I had them flat for a bit, but yeah, like hard to grind with. Like I'm not good enough to keep the wheels off. But
These are so pretty, dude.
I'm super psyched on them.
Dude, the white looks
I'm
so
gonna
good.
match the black ones as backup when these wear out. So now I'm just gonna get that much more use out of the wheels, you know?
Yeah. I don't know.
The intuitions hurt so bad.
Yeah, you gotta break them in.
Yeah.
That's why I kind of want to have a comfy session, so that's why I'm skating my Aeons. Yeah, they even got these like weird little things here.
Yeah, if I didn't have the sole plate on too, it's like the same profile on the side too.
Yeah, they even still have that like weird plastic thing.
I'm pretty sure mine even has this. I haven't ever taken my sole plate off, but I've seen people do it. Anyways, yeah, you trying to get a pic?
Yeah, compare.
30 years, man. 40, really?
Really?
What
I thought
these
those
like in the 80s.
What? No, I thought those were like 20 years old.
These?
Yeah.
No, these are from like the 80s or early 90s, right?
Early 90s. So
these
like,
are like one of the first like production rollerblades.
So 25 years old, you think?
I think so.
Okay.
Unless these are a remake.
I said 20 plus. Yeah.
I mean, 25 would be 95, right?
I think so.
What is up? What's going on?
Dude, I love the shirt. That thing's
Figured go retro for the blades.
That thing is fire, dude.
Oh my god. Those are gorgeous.
They're a little big though for us. I don't know. Taylor, what's your foot size?
I think they'll be okay for me. I'm a 10 and a half.
Okay, I'm thinking they're
big, but not too
11s
big.
maybe. But we can put a sock in there and still shred them, you know.
First thing, we gotta take that brake off.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Feel a
big?
little, yeah. I brought extra socks to cram in there for me.
It's a narrow boot though, so since we're going retro, 50/50 old school grind plates, hyper anti-rocker wheels.
Do you think these will fit on here? Oh, you know what?
Yeah.
They should.
They're designed to.
That is so cool.
This one I ended up using the one on the brake because it was longer.
Okay.
And then that one must have just been worn down enough.
So we got the grind plates on and the hyper, they're hyper, right?
Yes.
Hyper anti-rocker wheels. This one's looking good, but we might have an issue with this one. What was the issue? The bolt's too short?
Yeah, it just doesn't have enough clearance with the grind plate.
We might be able to get away without using the grind plate, you know? Just do one.
Those are all. But with the anti-rockers in, now that kind of forms a groove anyways.
Right.
So
it looks like we'll just be using one of these today. And we took the brake off, and that one's just gonna have no grind plate because of bolt issues.
So if I'm feeling good, I'm gonna go for like a side ride.
Oh, on one of the turns?
Yeah, I like it on that, like third one up here.
I am swimming in these things.
Look how fresh they look though.
What size are you?
Like 8.
Oh, yeah, you're swimming.
Yeah, these are like 2 sizes too big. Oh, but the ankle flex is on point. Console. No, dude, there's not a group, so. No, I just gotta learn how to sweat stance in these.
That's insane, dude. Oh, these feel awful, dude. My feet are way too small.
I ride the same size Aeon as you.
Oh. Shit, we're gonna cut that out. Oh, how did you do this? How the fuck did you do this, dude?
Learned on tarmacs. That's basic. I mean, more or less, that's the first skate I tried skating on. The lightnings and the tarmacs aren't exactly the same, but that's the gist of it, so.
Oh my god, dude.
Trust the anti-rockers. It feels weird because you're not in a groove, but they'll hold you in.
that feels better. And I just full commit.
Just takes some getting used to.
Oh, Ryan, look how much you get better at. Yeah, I actually just...
Okay, I think I can soul grind.
Do it. Haha!
Better than the backside. A lot better than the backside. It's weird because it is a lot of trust in the rocker.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in my channel.
Cause it's a channel 2.
1, 2, and 3. All right, I'm gonna try that soul. I think one more and I got that.
The experiment continues. Yes! What? On that? That's awesome.
Oh my god. So that was my attempt at the Lightning TRSs. Trevor tried them, I tried them, and now we're gonna let Taylor do them over in the street section. So, super stoked about that sole, but honestly, I think that's all I got in these. They're kind of big on me, just to like feel like a skate I've never skated before. So, let's get them on Taylor and see how he does.
That might be too tight. Yeah.
And with the bucket hat, dude, like,
Yeah, you like that shit?
yeah, it's definitely bringing me back. Back to like when NSYNC was wearing bucket hats, I think.
Yeah. Wait, should I do the wait? Hold on. Get the like.
That's so 90s. Yes.
Yeah. You good?
Or that's more like early 2000s, but maybe it is 90s. I don't know.
Did I get it right?
No.
We're going for the nice.
New boot goofing. Look at this production setup.
Yeah. We're big time.
We made it big, boys.
You're doing more finishing with shit than skating today.
Yeah, first your skates, now the camera.
Yeah.
But look how good those look.
Oh, what are those?
How are they feeling?
Okay, they're loose. Got a lot of wiggle room in my toes. Nice, you know, a little break.
I liked how easy they were to take off.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Did you see that thing with Tony Hawk where the guy that they named the mute grab after like doesn't like it because he was deaf and they were like making fun of him?
Oh no.
Yeah.
So did they rename it or
They
something?
renamed it to his name.
Oh nice.
They're like that he invented it.
Nice. Yeah, dude, that's so clean.
I want to do acid 180 and then just ride switch fakie up the quarter and back. Was that that was the bolt scraping. I was like, damn.
Dude, I think you got that acid 180.
I feel really comfortable in
You're
it.
jumping really high out of it, so it's perfect. It's enough time to spin.
I don't feel like I have like enough to like get. I gotta concentrate on being ready to spin when I get into it.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
It can't be my normal. I gotta be like a little bit like.
I don't know. I think if you jump high enough, you don't have to worry about the spin until you actually get to it.
True, true. I'll try it.
Yes. Oh, shit. Okay, guys. So we're pretty much done with these. They didn't break. At least damage check. Like they don't look like they broke. So yeah, there's that sweet grind plate. Look at that.
Adidas.
We got Trevor going one more time so he can get a. What are you trying?
Top sole and maybe try the alley-oop top porn again.
So he's trying to get a picture of the top sole and alley-oop top porn. But other than that, I think we're essentially done skating the skates. What did you guys think? Was it fun?
Hell yeah.
Nostalgia.
I think they're a little before my time. I was born in '92, so. That's the video, guys. If you like, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.